how to buy make communism great again token. So this token came under the under the symbol of MCGA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token created 4 hours ago and increased by 100,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's made your investment in a safe place. This token trending number 6 on Ethereum section. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Copy the token address from here. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. So after that, what you need to do, I will just go back, select the Ethereum as a network from here, and click on these three dots. Click on import token, click on custom token, and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on next. Now click on import. So after you import the token, go and search for it, called MCGA. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it and click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy. For example, I will use USDT. So after you select the token that you want to buy with, set how much you want to buy. So as you can see, so here, click on continue swapping. So in a while you will be able to see how much you receive the token, and you need to, or make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy MCGA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.